Welcome to this highly requested explainer. Look, if you're a focused learner trying to cut through all the online noise and figure out exactly how to generate real, actual income right from your living room, you are in the perfect place. Today, we're completely breaking down the realistic guide to earning money from home in 2026. We are strictly looking at legitimate, proven pathways that you can literally start navigating today.
But before we even touch on the strategies, we have to address the elephant in the room. I hear this from beginners all the time, and it's probably the immediate question on your mind right now. Is earning from home actually still possible? With all the wild shifts in the economy and AI taking over, is there still space for everyday people to carve out a real income online?
The short answer? An enthusiastic, absolute yes. It is entirely possible. But, and this is a massive but, the landscape has completely changed. You know those old methods of aimlessly clicking links or doing basic data entry? Yeah, those are largely gone. To succeed today, you can't just throw spaghetti at the wall and hope it sticks. The new landscape requires a highly targeted approach, focusing on specific skills that modern digital businesses desperately need right now.
So let's dive into our Choose Your Own Adventure map for today. We'll be covering the 2026 earning landscape, high-demand digital services, digital products for passive income, micro-tasks for instant cash, and finally, the 30-day success rule.
Okay, part 1, the 2026 earning landscape. We're going to look at 3 reliable paths.
If we really want to cut through the noise, the absolute most reliable ways to make money online fall strictly into 3 beginner-friendly categories. You've got digital services, digital products, and microtask platforms. That is it. You honestly don't need to look outside of these 3 areas. And honestly, the best part? Absolutely none of these require a university degree or any formal qualifications to get started. You just need the right focus.
Let's move to our first path, high-demand digital services. This is active income without a degree. So right now, creators and small businesses are practically begging to hire for 3 specific services. First up, YouTube video editing. Creators desperately need editors who can cut, pacing, add those engaging captions, and just keep the viewer's attention locked in. Second is thumbnail design, which is all about creating catchy visuals. And third is AI prompt engineering and copywriting. This is where you're helping small businesses write emails, social media posts, and website content by using AI tools to dramatically speed up their entire process.
Now, what's really interesting is exactly why these skills pay so well. It all comes down to metrics like CTR, or click-through rate. This is literally the critical metric that determines if a YouTube video lives or dies in the algorithm. Think about it. If nobody clicks the thumbnail, nobody watches the video, and the creator makes 0 money. When you realize that your thumbnail design directly impacts a business's revenue, you instantly understand why it's such a highly valuable service to offer.
If you're wanting to jump into these digital services, you don't need a massive budget. Here is your essential toolkit. For video editing, CapCut is incredibly popular right now because it's completely free and super easy to learn. Now, if you want to get more advanced later on, DaVinci Resolve is an absolute industry powerhouse. For thumbnail design and visuals, Canva is your best friend for quick, professional results, while Photoshop remains the gold standard for deeper editing. Just pick one and start playing around with it.
All right, on to path number 2, digital products, passive income where you create once and sell forever.
The whole beauty of digital products is trading away that time for money model. You build it once and it just keeps selling. To give you some concrete examples, you could build Notion templates, like really organized planners, project trackers, or study guides. You can write digital guides and ebooks. These should be short, highly specific PDFs that solve just one single problem, like a beginner's guide to cursor code editor or how to study for matrix exams. Or you could design Canva templates for social media posts and sell those directly to local businesses or Instagram creators. The more specific your product is, the easier it's going to be to sell.
Let's transition to path number 3, microtasks for instant cash. This is instant pocket money with 0 skills required.
If you're someone wanting a few dollars immediately without learning major software, user testing is one of your best bets. Let's completely demystify how this actually works. Step 1, you are given a website or an app to navigate. Step 2, you literally just speak your thoughts out loud as you try to use it. You tell them, hey, this button is hard to find, or this menu is confusing. Step 3, you get paid via platforms like usertesting.com. Companies happily pay for this because your honest feedback helps them fix their clunky websites before they launch to millions of people.
So what does that time actually translate to? $10. Yep, $10 is the typical earning potential for just a single, simple 20-minute user test. Now, while that's not going to buy you a mansion, it is a fantastic, immediate return for absolutely zero skills and a very small amount of your spare time. Beyond user testing, there are plenty of other legitimate reward platforms out there. On these sites, you can complete small online tasks, play specific mobile games, or just answer surveys. In exchange, you earn rewards and gift cards. Again, this is all about leveraging your downtime. If you're going to be scrolling on your phone on the couch anyway, you might as well be earning a bit of instant pocket money while you do it, right?
Finally, Section 5, the 30-day success rule. We are talking about avoiding the ultimate beginner's trap. Okay, so here is the biggest mistake you can possibly make. Trying to do literally everything at once. We've all been there. You try to learn video editing on Monday, you try building a Notion template on Tuesday, and then you take surveys all weekend. By Wednesday, you're just sitting there drinking coffee, completely panicking, and making exactly $0. The fix is incredibly simple, but it requires actual discipline. You must pick one path.
Here is exactly how you apply the 30-day timeline rule to avoid that shiny object syndrome. On day 1, make a firm decision. Pick just one thing, either mastering a service like video editing, building a digital template, or using reward platforms. That's it. By day 15, your only job is to stick with it and actually learn the skill. Put your blinders on, ignore every other side hustle you see online. Then, on day 30, you finally look up, review your progress, and evaluate your success.
By focusing intensely on just one of these legitimate 2026 strategies for a full month, you give yourself a real mathematical chance at success. You go from being a distracted beginner to someone with a genuinely monetizable skill. So, what does this all mean for you? I'll leave you with this final, crucial question to think about today. Which path will you choose for your 30 days? Pick one, stick to it, and go make it happen.